Hi, I'm Mohit from iMEDicare. I'm here to speak to you about some female urinary incontinence management solutions that we provide on our website, www.mypelvichealth.co.uk. Firstly, I'd like to go through Ephemia, which is a bladder support for women. So it is inserted into the vagina. Water-based lubricants can be used, and it will sit providing mid-urethral support. It's very easily removed with the help of this handle here. And the two support rings here help support the bladder and occlude the urethra, helping to reduce leakages. It comes in three sizes: 30, 35, and 40 millimeter options. The user would receive a starter kit with three sizes, and they work their way up from the smaller size. When it's in situ, it should not be uncomfortable, and you still be able to use the toilet whilst it's inside. It can be worn for 16 hours a day, and you can see in this picture how it sits when in situ. It can be worn for 16 hours a day and can last for 3 months of daily usage. And it's washed very simply with warm soapy water. If somebody is using it only when they are, for example, working out, only a few times a week, because that is when their stress incontinence is aggravated, then it should be able to last a lot longer than 3 months. So this is 3 months of 16 hours a day, and should not be worn during sleep or menstruation or pregnancy. A study has shown that it can reduce leakages by up to 94%, and that was in a cohort of over 30 female runners. It is available on FP10 prescription from GPs. The starter kit, that is, with three sizes, and once the user has determined which size they prefer, they can get that individual size prescribed. Next, I'd like to go through Wherever, which is our range of washable incontinence garments. You can see from this slide here the different options, styles, and sizes range from extra small up to 10XL. So even bariatric size women are accommodated. And absorbency capacities range from 100 milliliters up to 650 milliliters. And they can last for 200 to 250 wash cycles, and therefore provide a significant cost saving compared to disposable pads, as well as the environmental impact. Disposable pads that go into landfills can take hundreds of years to biodegrade. So each Wherever washable garment should be able to save hundreds, if not thousands, of disposable pads. They are discreet. You can see this is a smaller garment here, very small and discreet, that will hold 100 milliliters. There are more stylish options as well, with frill and lace, and larger options, as you can see from this and this style. The absorbable pad has three aspects to it. There's an inner lining that wicks away moisture, keeping the user feeling dry. There's the inner pad, which traps the liquid and dissipates it across itself, and is impregnated with silver ions to help reduce odor-causing bacteria, so it's antimicrobial. And then there's an outer layer that prevents leakages. As I mentioned, there's a variety of styles and sizes and colors, and they are available on NHS supply chain in the UK, except for Wales. We're hoping that will change soon. And they are very attractively priced, and we have a number of deals available on our website. If you buy 6, then you get a 7th pair free, for example. Next, we have the Lumana range of yoga pants and shorts. You can see they're very small and discreet. You wouldn't know that they are for absorbing incontinence leakages, menstrual leakages, and sweat. So they have a discrete pad inside, washable and reusable, just like wherever. So again, there's a top layer, a polyester lining that wicks away the moisture, a middle absorbent layer, and the outerproof layer that prevents leakages. The Lumana shorts can hold nearly 16 milliliters of period leaks and 150 milliliters of bladder leakages and sweat, whereas the leggings hold up to 13 milliliters of period leakages and up to 90 milliliters of bladder leaks and sweat. The shorts also have a zipper to keep belongings in, and the leggings have a deep pocket to also keep belongings in. And you can see there's a variety of different color options as well. Next, we have the inner pelvic board, which is a Kegel educator, Kegel training device. It's inserted into the vagina, and the user would do their pelvic floor exercises as taught by the pelvic floor specialist physiotherapist. And whilst it's in situ, it would help improve the muscle tone and strength of the pelvic floor, because within it is an irregular diamond ball, which with every contraction rattles around and causes reflex contractions of the pelvic floor. So it promotes not just voluntary but involuntary contractions of the pelvic floor, further improving strength and tone. That is available on our website. So that is a brief overview of the options that iMEDicare provide for female stress incontinence. If you have any questions, please reach out to us and we can discuss things further, and your local iMEDicare representative can have a meeting with you to discuss the options and potentially allow for you to get some samples. And please do direct your colleagues and patients to our website, www.mypelvichealth.co.uk, where you'll find a lot more information. Thank you.